There is potential for Staratlas DAO cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as $0.0059 toward the finish of 2025, which basically is very huge. Staratlas DAO cost estimate recommends a chance of Polis exchanging between $0.0317 to $0.0384 in 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Staratlas DAO in a real sense is at present valued at $0.3840 on the lookout. The by and large normal extended cost for Staratlas DAO in 2040 explicitly is supposed to explicitly be $1.91, with pretty likely fluctuation somewhere in the range of $1.76 and $2.22, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Our Staratlas DAO truly long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes Polis possibly going somewhere in the range of $2.39 and $2.79 in a kind of large manner. Starting around 11 February 2024, Staratlas DAO in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.3840 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.53% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a by and large significant manner. Polis truly has a really all-out market cap of $93,816,318, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $897,489 in an unpretentious manner. This in every practical sense makes Staratlas DAO, Polis, truly positioning at 379 in the digital currency market in an exceptionally enormous manner. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Staratlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Staratlas DAO really be most certainly worth in 2024, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Staratlas DAO a sort of wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024 in an all things considered significant way? Will Polis cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed high? These for the most part are our Staratlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future in an unobtrusive manner. Staratlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2024, as per the Staratlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Polis cost especially is supposed to basically cross an essentially normal value level of $0.4811, the normal least value worth of Staratlas DAO, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to really be $0.4642. Besides, Polis can for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.5445, incredibly. Polis value conjecture February 2024. The Staratlas DAO figure for February 2024 expects that the Polis may essentially arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $0.3648, with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.3209. Discussing the very normal value, Polis can stretch around $0.3546 for February, which generally is very huge. Staratlas DAO value expectation walk 2024. Staratlas DAO cost is supposed to reach between $0.3519 to $0.3790 in walk 2024, while the typical cost of Polis for the walk most certainly remains around $0.3688. Polis value gauge April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Staratlas DAO truly is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.3593, which certainly is very critical. The Polis cost could truly arrive at a greatest cost of $0.3937, with the exceptionally normal cost around $0.3762 in a kind of significant manner. Staratlas DAO value conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Staratlas DAO generally is supposed to in every practical sense be at around a very least of $0.3702, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Staratlas DAO cost can arrive at a sort of limit of $0.4088, with the typical cost of $0.3837 in United States dollars, which most certainly is very huge. Staratlas DAO value expectation June 2024. The cost of Staratlas DAO is in every practical sense anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $0.3779 in June 2024 in an unpretentious way. The Polis cost could truly arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.4241, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.3914 all through 2024 incredibly. Staratlas DAO, Polis, value expectation July 2024. The cost for Staratlas DAO in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.3935 and $0.4437 in an unpretentious manner. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.4071 in a truly significant manner. Paulus Value Conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Staratlas DAO especially is determined to by and large be at around a kind of least worth of $0.4058, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The Staratlas DAO value worth can sort of arrive at a by and large limit of $0.4640, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.4193 in United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Staratlas DAO, Paulus, Value Expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Staratlas DAO cost most certainly is gauged to arrive at a practically the least cost of $0.4192, in spite of mainstream thinking. The Paulus cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.4808, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $0.4360, showing that assuming that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Staratlas DAO cost expectation end of 2024, what will Staratlas DAO be worth in 2024, which all things considered is very critical. Staratlas DAO Value Conjecture October 2024. The really normal cost of Staratlas DAO, Paulus, could in every practical sense go to $0.4535 toward the finish of October 2024, or so they fundamentally thought. Paulus could be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $0.4982, with the very least expected cost of $0.4366, which is very critical. Paulus Value Estimate November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Staratlas DAO fundamentally is supposed to truly arrive at a by and large least value worth of $0.4581, which basically is very huge. The Paulus cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.5209, with the especially normal cost around $0.4716 in an unpretentious manner. Staratlas DAO, Paulus, Value Figure December 2024. The Staratlas DAO, Paulus, cost for December 2024 may for the most part arrive at in every practical sense least worth of $0.4642, while the all things considered greatest determined value sort of is around $0.5445, which truly is very critical. The genuinely normal cost for Paulus truly is in a real sense anticipated to explicitly reach $0.4811 in December 2024 in a really significant way. Staratlas DAO truly passed cost exam.